create.
Aioli Español or Aioli from Spain. And the one I'm going to prepare today is the traditional one, the one that's been around for centuries. No eggs, just garlic, salt, and extra virgin olive oil. And you're going to need something like this where you can create the paste. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get about 3 teeth of garlic. This one is about 2 in 1. So it's like, let's call it 4. And to make things easier, let me break it down a little bit, just to make things easier. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer them to the pilon. We call it pilon, which is this thing. Got a small one. I wish I had a bigger one. And I'm going to start smashing a little bit. Let me put a little bit of salt. Make sure it's thin, like kosher. Or if you have sea salt, use the flaky one after you break it down. Just a little bit. You don't go crazy, okay? And you know what the salt does instead of adding salt? It also creates some friction. So you're going to start making sure this is smashed, and then you're going to create paste, okay? So let's smash it first. And creating this paste. And then what you do is drop by drop. You don't go crazy. Couple drops here. Start mixing things up. I wish this was bigger, by the way. Move that in. Continue creating the paste. Couple drops again. And you continue a few drops here until it gets to your desired thickness, okay? Or texture. You continue creating the paste, your aioli.